Hey man, let's talk about something most guys never really think about. How attractive they actually are. A lot of men go through life not realizing how people see them. You might think you're just another guy blending into the crowd, doing your thing. But what if I told you, you actually stand out more than you think? What if you've got a natural pull? A vibe that turns heads without you even knowing it? Today we're breaking down 5 clear signs that show you've got that effortless, magnetic kind of attraction. And this isn't just about looks. It's about your energy, your presence, the way you carry yourself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you stand. Let's jump in. Sign 1. You change the energy in the room. Have you ever walked into a room and felt like people noticed you, even if you didn't say a word? That's presence. That's power. Some guys walk in and go completely unnoticed. Others shift the mood just by being there. You don't have to be loud, tall, or super muscular. It's about how you carry yourself. Head high, shoulders back, calm movements. You're not in a rush. You're comfortable. People pick up on that. Women feel it. Men notice it too. They either respect it or feel a little threatened by it. If people react differently when you show up, you've got that unspoken confidence. Sign 2. Women hold eye contact with you. Women are very aware of who they're looking at and who's looking at them. If a woman locks eyes with you and holds it a second too long, that's not an accident. That's interest. Sometimes she's testing you. If you look away immediately, it shows insecurity. If you stare too long, it becomes weird. But if you hold the gaze for a moment, then casually look away like it's nothing, you pass the test. And sometimes she won't look at you at all because eye contact with you feels too intense. Either way, she's noticing you. Sign 3. You naturally lead conversations. Have you ever noticed people actually listen to you? Not because you're loud, but because your words carry weight. You speak calmly. You don't rush. You're not scared of silence. People lean in. They want more. Women especially. If she keeps the conversation going, asks questions, laughs at small things, she's engaged. It's not always about what you say. It's how you say it. Sign 4. People respect your space without you asking. This one is subtle but powerful. In a busy place, do people move out of your way without you forcing it? Do they adjust when you walk past? That's presence. That's energy. Women pick up on that too. It tells them you're someone important, and importance is attractive. Sign 5. Women find excuses to be near you. Women rarely walk up and say, "Hey, I like you." But if they're interested, they'll find reasons to be close. Maybe she walks past you more than once, or stands near you while pretending to be on her phone, or accidentally bumps into you. That's not coincidence. That's a move. A woman who's not interested avoids being close, but one who is, she puts herself within reach. Look, attraction isn't just about looks. It's about energy, how you move, how you speak, how you exist. When you own your space, speak with confidence and stop trying so hard. People feel it. You stop chasing, and everything starts coming to you. Start noticing the signs, because once you see them, you can't unsee them. And that's when everything starts to shift.